My daddy was a preacher, my mama was a saint, my brother was a singer. I was everything they ain't. I was chain smoking cigarettes and carrying LSD. I was good at making friends, I was bad at selling weed. Cause I never could save, no, I never could save a dime. Made it down the highway, down I-94. I was crying out to God, I was bitching to the Lord. Should I swerve to the rail, put a bullet in my head? And then I heard the Lord, he said, do this instead.